Hi student, today we are going to learn about multiplication of surds. Here we can multiply like this, root 7 into root 42. See, it is not like this addition or subtraction, we want similar surds only. These similar surds or unlike surds can be multiplied or divided. So root 7 into root 42, directly we can multiply, simple multiplication, 7 into 42, whatever answer will be. But here this 42 can be factorized, 7 into 6, 7 6 are 42. Now this, see this 7 in this 7 into this can be factorized, 7 into 6, 7 6 are 42, 7 into 6. It can be written in one symbol only, 7 into 7 into 6. So out of these two 7, one can be written outside. 7 7 are 49. Square root of 49 is 7. So directly I written out of the 2 7 1 7 outside and root 6. 7 root 6 is the answer of this two surds multiplication. Now division of this. Root 125 divided by root 5. Now it can be written like this. Root 125 divided by 5. So 125 by 5. If we divide 125 by 5, we get 25, and square root of 25 is 5. So this is called multiplication and division of surds. It's very simple to multiply and divide surds. When we learn the exercise or practice set, we'll learn more about multiplication and division. Now, very important topic from this lesson, that is rationalization of surd. What is meant by rationalization? See the definition. If the product of two surd is a rational number, then each surd is called rationalizing factor of the other surd. Again, if the product of two surd is a rational number, each surd is called rationalizing factor of the other. For example, root 2 is a surd. If we multiply this root 2 by root 2, we get like this, root 2 into root 2, that is root 4. Square root of 4 is 2. See, 2 is a rational number and this square root 2 is irrational number. So this irrational number is transferred into 2, or we can say if we multiply this root 2 by root 2, we get rational number. So root 2 is converted into 2, that is root 2 is irrational, so irrational to the rational. We converted this root 2 into 2, because of this root 2 we multiplied that. So root 2 is a rationalizing factor of root 2. We get rational number. So this root 2 is rationalizing factor of root 2. One more example. Root 2 into root 8. When we multiply this root 2 by root 8, we get root 16, and square root of 16 is 4. So root 2 is irrational number, but we converted it into rational number because of this root 8. So root 8 is rationalizing factor of root 2. Also, root 2 is a rationalizing factor of root 8. This is called rationalization of surd. Now, rationalize the denominator of 1 upon root 5. This is very important example for you. We have to rationalize the only denominator. So this denominator 1 upon root 5 into root 5 upon root 5. Because this root 5 should be multiplied by root 5 to get rational number. When we multiplied by denominator by root 5, we have to multiply numerator by root 5. So root 5, 1 into root 5 upon root 5 into root 5. So it can be written root 5 on the root 5, and one symbol, under one symbol, 5 into 5, that is root 5 into 5. So root 5 upon 5 5 is 25. We know the square root of 25 is 5. So we can write like this, root 5 upon root 5. So this root 5 is converted into root 5, that is irrational number. This root 5 is irrational number and this 5 is a rational number. So how to rationalize the denominator? It is like this. We have to multiply this root 5 by root 5. Then we get root 25, and root 25, square root of root 25 or square root of 25 is 5. So this is the conversion of denominator, rationalize the denominator we say. Okay, in next example, in next video we will see the practice set. Thank you.